To complete a AP1.1 filter replacement, you might need an air duster. When the filter icon lights up in red, it is to remind users to check if the filter needs to be changed. Let's start by turning off AP1.1. Then, disconnect the power cable, and unscrew the filter cap to remove the dirty filter from the body. Ensure the filter cap is screwed tightly after replacing the dirty filter with new filter, APF1. Then, power up AP1.1 to reset the filter replacement reminder. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, until the filter icon turns blue. AP1.1 should function as usual after resetting the reminder. But due to high air contamination environment, some AP1.1 UV light color switching and air quality indicator may not return to normal operation. In this case, sensor cleaning is required. Simply grab the air duster and spray into the sensor hole at the back of AP1.1. Give it a few pumps before checking the UV light color switching and air quality indicator. When the UV light color and air quality indicator starts to change, it means the AP1.1 is functioning well. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.